Yeah, that's right. You read that correctly. The vending industry, as we know it, is absolutely dead, at least as far as I'm concerned. Listen, I've watched all the videos on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram of the so-called experts and influencers when it comes to the vending industry. And they all regurgitate the same exact information over and over again, where how you get into the vending industry is that you buy cheap machines on places like Craigslist, OfferUp, or Let Go, and then you put junk food into it, and then you go into places like oil change or auto repair centers or apartment complexes or hotels. And then you collect your $300 of revenue or $400 a month in revenue, because that's the average in the vending industry. Did you know it's going to take you to own up to 25 machines to even make 6 figures of revenue, which is nowhere close to profit? How is that even scalable? Well, frankly, it's not. Here's the thing that it comes down to is these influencers also talk about locations where you can get locations very easily. Yeah, very bad locations. That's why the revenue is so low. The key is to get great locations, and there's a few more keys to that. Here's the thing. These experts and influencers have it all wrong. There's a better way, and I'm inviting you to take part of the Vending Accelerator, an online vending course that can help you 3x, 5x, or 10x vending revenue in the United States. I've been in the industry for a decade. I've helped place machines all across the US, in over 20 states to be specific, and these machines make $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a month. Don't take my word for it. Check out the proof. Check out the information in this page, and you'll see for yourself. This is a pre-launch promotion for the Vending Accelerator. This is for my early adopters, and I'm maxing it at 50 total. You're going to start off by a phone call with me for 30 minutes as a pre-launch to get on with you so we can talk about your business, if you're even in the industry, because this is open to entrepreneurs who want to get into the vending industry. This is open to vending operators that are already in the industry. It's open to anyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can get into the business, how you can get really great financing, whether you're an entrepreneur or whether you're already in the vending industry, how you can differentiate yourself, eliminate the vending competition at locations, how to get into high foot traffic locations. I'm going to identify suppliers that you're not familiar with, and I'm going to show you how you can get into the most profitable location in the United States, which is schools. Captive kids are the #1 location by far, and I've cracked the code. So I invite you to take part of this page, take in the information, and then I look forward to seeing you on the other side inside the course. We'll kick it off again with a phone call with me personally, so that we can begin your entrepreneurial journey in the vending industry, or we can help you accelerate it by 3x, 5x, or 10xing average vending revenue.